Simple explanation of deflation in less than 5 minutes. Do you remember the currency inflation that we talked about in a previous episode and how the price increases year by year, meaning $100 tomorrow, its value is less than $100 today? Deflation is simply $100 tomorrow worth more than $100 today. Think of it in a practical way. If today you buy a cheeseburger for $10, for example, tomorrow it becomes only $9. It means simply keep your money and its value will rise by itself. Beautiful, true? No, it's wrong, dear viewer. Let me tell you why. If the prices next year will be lower than the prices of the current year, as we explained, you will say to yourself, why do I buy a new refrigerator today? I will buy it next year and thus the income will be lost to the owner of the refrigerators, so he, in turn, will accept the postponement of supplying the store with refrigerators for the next year. In addition, the owner of the clothing store, for example, will cancel his purchase of a car this year, and thus the owner of the car store will reduce the salaries of the employees since he does not have customers this year, and the employees, in turn, will refrain from buying new refrigerators, and so we go back and go around in the same vicious circle, and this is how the economy shrinks until it almost stops. But deflation means that there is still supply, and therefore there is an economy. There are still people who sell washing machines, refrigerators and clothes, but the demand is no longer there. People do not want to buy, and therefore deflation is a horror movie for economists and countries. But there is also a good side to deflation, which is deflation due to the increase in supply, not the lack of demand, and this kind of thing happened in Switzerland for a while. In fact, the country's economy improved, but even if you and I did not live in Switzerland, we experienced the downturn on a small level. I mean, think of the technology market, the closest example of the mobile phone or computer through which you watch the episode. The first time that the phone was found, its value was up to $5,000, but today you find phones with only $100, and the reason is that the offer has increased because the technology has improved, so the price has decreased. And if we take what is happening in the mobile phone market and apply it to the country as a whole, you will witness an increase in the value of the currency day by day. Thus, dear viewer, you learned the principle of deflation in less than 5 minutes. If you liked the episode and found it useful, do not forget to support us by giving us a like and share the episode with your family and friends. Rashad from Hit the Road to Fire channel was with you. See you soon.